Today, I'm drawing a realistic olive branch using colored pencils. I start with a light sketch to place the olives and leaves properly. Keeping the lines soft helps me correct mistakes easily. Next, I slowly build the base colors. Instead of using one green, I mix different shades to make the olives look natural. Layering is the key here. I apply light pressure and gradually add darker tones for depth and realism. For the leaves, I focus on the direction of strokes, which helps create a natural leaf texture. Small highlights make a big difference. They give the olives a fresh and realistic look. This drawing reminds me that patience turns simple shapes into beautiful art. If you enjoyed this process, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next artwork.